Hi, my name is Cameron Amity. I'm a data analyst at Johnson & Johnson, and today I'm going to be giving you my presentation on employee engagement analysis. So the purpose of my analysis was to test whether employee engagement levels predict their end of year performance ratings. If a relationship was found in my analysis, the executive team is going to use that information to make changes to boost employee engagement and performance. The sample size for my analysis was 203 employees who answered our employee engagement survey questions. And my significant findings were based on my analysis of average engagement, average career development opportunities, average intention to leave, and average satisfaction and commitment levels. I found that employee engagement levels do significantly predict end of year performance ratings. So my performance rating predictors for this analysis were average engagement, average career development opportunities, average intention to leave, and average satisfaction and commitment. And I was trying to find whether or not those were significant predictors of performance ratings. So the first question I had to ask myself for my analysis was, do average engagement levels significantly predict performance? Based on my analysis, I found that average engagement levels did not significantly predict employee performance. So in the bar graph below, we see its average engagement by performance rating. So we see here that there is an increase in average engagement by performance rating, but it is not a significant one. So I found that average engagement was not a significant predictor of performance rating. My second question was, do average career development opportunities significantly predict performance? I found that average career development opportunities do significantly predict employee performance ratings. So my graph below have average career development opportunities by performance rating. Here we see that there is a positive relationship between the two, and I found that this was a significant relationship, so their average career development opportunities were a significant predictor based on my analysis. My next question was, does average intention to leave significantly predict performance? I found that average intention to leave does significantly predict employee performance ratings. So we can see in the graph below, we have average intention to leave by performance rating, and average intention to leave is actually decreasing by performance rating, meaning there is a negative relationship here. And this does make sense, as we would expect as employees intend to leave the company and don't want to be there anymore, that their performance would tend to decline. So we did find that average intention to leave was a significant predictor based on my analysis. So the last question for my analysis was, does average satisfaction and commitment significantly predict performance? I found that average satisfaction and commitment does not significantly predict employee performance ratings. So the graph here shows us average satisfaction and commitment by performance rating. And we can see based on these averages that there really is no relationship, or not a strong one at least, between average satisfaction and commitment and performance rating. So I found that this was not a significant predictor based on my analysis. So in conclusion, I found that our employee engagement does significantly predict performance. I found that the average engagement and average satisfaction and commitment variables did not significantly predict performance, but I found that average career development opportunities did, and this was a positive relationship between average career development and performance. And I also found that average intention to leave did significantly predict performance. This was a negative relationship. So I think that Johnson & Johnson should use engagement level to predict performance in the future, especially the average career development opportunities and intention to leave variables. Thank you for your time.